Okay, this is the official unboxing for me of my Chromecast streamer, which I bought at the north end of Toronto. The package looked really good, so I thought I'd do this in front of you, and it's also the premium thing for me to buy. Low price. I don't know if I'm allowed to say the price, but I'm going to say that's $39. Okay, let's take a look in here. All I had to do was open the switch, and the slider came right out, so I was very impressed with the design. Google isn't necessarily known for its design, but this is done very well. See, it slides right out. Inside it says Chromecast with the logo there for Chrome. You open it up a little further. You directly get your Chrome device. I believe this goes in the HDMI. Getting started. Plug into TV and power. So you have to power it. Switch TV input. Switch TV input. Okay, so just change the right one. Set up configuration, and it has a website for doing that. And as last thing, because I don't think there's anything under here, it's very nice, the blue rim here and plastic slot for the player to go in. And see what it says here for your entertainment and knowledge. Optionally, you can connect power cable from the Chromecast, TV, etc. Okay, thank you very much. You can see this. You can see this, how simple these 3 steps are, setting up your Chromecast, and maybe you'll see me later when I get plugged into my flat screen TV. Thank you for watching.